Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to text like a pro full guide. Open your messaging app and practice the examples as you follow along. I'll walk through clarity, tone, timing, and concise structure so your messages read smoothly and get results. You'll learn quick templates, emoji use, when to call, and how to edit before sending. Practice the exercises aloud, try the templates, and adapt tips to your voice for confident, everyday texting. Keep messages clear and purposeful by starting with context and ending with a call to action. Use short sentences and one idea per message to avoid confusion. Match tone to the relationship, leaning friendly for peers and formal for work. Replace long paragraphs with bullet-style lines when needed. Limit emojis to 1 or 2 to support meaning. Pause before sending to check for unintended tone or autocorrect errors and clarity. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and hands-free texting features that pair with phones and apps. It's compact, affordable, and great for dictating messages when typing feels slow. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it fits your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Timing shapes how messages are received, so consider recipient routines and urgency. Use read receipts and typing indicators wisely, and avoid demanding immediate replies. For sensitive topics, prefer a call or face-to-face conversation to prevent misreading. If message length exceeds a screen, summarize first, then add details. Respect silence when someone doesn't reply, and follow up politely after a reasonable interval for professional or personal matters. Use quick voice messages sometimes. Practice these habits daily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.